friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making iced green tea. For this easy recipe, all you need is water and green tea, and also to serve it, you need ice, and if you'd like, some slices of lemon. And whether to sweeten the tea or not, it's up to you. I'm making unsweetened tea, but if you'd like to sweeten it, then you would need some sugar. So here in this teapot, there's 8 cups of water. And you need as many green tea bags as there are cups of water. So for 8 cups of water, we'll need 8 tea bags. I'm using an electric teapot, and you can use, a regular pot on a stove. It doesn't really matter how you boil this water. So the first thing is you're going to boil water. So I'm going to start my teapot to boil water. And once it boils, we're going to add the tea bags. So now the teapot has heated the water to boiling, which is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This electric teapot actually shows you the temperature, or if you're doing it on a stove in a pot, so you see when it's boiling, then you take it off the heat. So now let's add the tea bags. So we're using as many tea bags as there's cups of water. So for 8 cups of water, I'm using 8 tea bags. And now I'm going to make sure they're actually submerged in the water. And now let me just leave this, so let it steep. And I'm going to let it steep for 15 minutes. So now the iced green tea has been steeping for 15 minutes. And let's now remove the tea bags. And so at this point, if you were using a pot on a stove, you can pour this in a pitcher. Since this teapot is like a pitcher itself, you can just use it straight out of this. So for best results, you should let it cool down completely, for the tea to be the coldest. But since I'll be trying it now, you can pour it hot over ice, but it's not going to be as cold as you'd like. But I will just do it for the video, but I do recommend letting it cool down completely. So here's our glass with ice, and I have lemon. And if you want, you can squeeze lemons directly in a tea. So let's pour it over ice. And let me just let it stand for a minute just to, kind of cool from the ice. Squeeze some lemon in the tea. And let's try it. Delicious. It tastes amazing. It's actually already cold. It's just not like super cold, but it's really, it's cold enough. So you can have it right away if you'd like. And if you want to sweeten the tea, you should add your sweetener to hot tea so it dissolves well. You can add as much sugar as you like. I know a lot of people, if you want a really sweet tea, they add a cup of sugar for 8 cups of water. You can also use artificial sweetener, or you can use honey to taste, but I really like unsweetened tea. This is so healthy, refreshing, and delicious. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!